Saya tuge, tege muda, kopo gini, lena mi beauty jinung kansa kyongero mochile ya, jana ge tanda bad lo dinjo rile ya chemi shudiyore. Imi na ya tanda mandawa de karere lebina, jana ge nandol ya, nzambolinge, sanju ilang kenda, minata ching ilang koso ge jana hunando ya, lapa dene jaro mochile ya, ichi teba ya sebo tingore. Lapa to, tanda peno ya. Lo dinjuri se janagi jarbo je kobata teso kaya orte ina ya tanda janagi konsin sunjo ke kachanga jinjo timote janano tingor peno tingore koso sambale peno mirasaba teso ke jarbo tila duteta isi me bateo me chaga sangore ibe na ya peno ito pimi tumine longo dinjuri ne jarbo jinjime jima tiwa teso ke miras geba tinjeta mirasaba tinje klapata gege chuke karishiyo la nicha Jana mochi nitun de tendi sama krongi gemo gene gemo garji di gegore jana mochi tinjere ki chono injoda kono karishi yarlena tiri nitun tinjere de keso ki nimujres mauba jonu nitu jana mochi ngisun jege nimuji shagres deson da peno jo gegenda lotru tsingine samina te gugures tandanga tu jana ki timon tiande koso nye Tibetan Dalai Lama and Tibetan people for the first few weeks. For the line, Occupy has gotten bigger with major mainstream media and influential figures. It was done by Chinese acoustic design to malign His Holiness Dalai Lama and Tibetan culture. Today, the entire world have seen all of us His Holiness Dalai Lama protesting across the world, from Ladakh to Arunachal, from Arunachal to Sikkim, from Delhi to Dharamsala, from New York to Paris to the Toronto, in the support of His Holiness, in the support of Tibetan cause.
Today, India, Manju Netse Dine Karehako Sonsena, Zambulin Dinangnia, Concertolia, Chedon Kagin Yemeda, Dine, Manju Mixe Pebata Himalaya Rigitolia. 우리 자 전부 테니스 예바디 소디 전부 가긴 지에메다 먼저 뽑았게 고야지 임바 하세보고서 더 테랭기 딘저디 유네 예 가르치듯 주소세나 예 조모다 미랍사바체 콘서트기 토기 공바시 먼저 록주초 미 semba 상보지 차야다 미 야랍지 차야 배기 깨당 리슈 미념 견지 제토긴지 차야라 배지 슈 낭로낭스니 semba 디네 비기슈기에 다 타덴들이야 먼저 공사 초기 람데. On behalf of Tibetan Canadian Culture Center students and youth committee, I wish everyone a good evening. In the past few weeks and going, baseless accusations have been circulating around social media concerning our compassionate leader, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. This affects millions around the world, not only adults but youths as well, as you have seen with our sister in Belgium. However discerning the situation is, we have learned many things. We have learned how much respect His Holiness has in our world, how lucky we are to have him, how proud we should be of him, and how important he is, especially to the Tibetan and Himalayan community.
Cultural Center. I'm a lifelong supporter of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. These past 2 weeks have been difficult not just for me but for the entire Tibetan community and the millions of followers of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. It began with a clip that was taken out of context and then spiraled into a frenzy of misinterpretation and ignorance by His Holiness with the malicious intent to defame His Holiness. Dalai Lama is a well-known global peace icon who has dedicated his entire life to the benefit of human beings and believes in oneness, humanity, peace, non-violence, love, and compassion. Instead, I saw it as a blessing for the child and His Holiness expressing love and compassion through his playfulness. But the media and some individuals continue to funded schools that erase their Tibetan identity. Similar to residential schools in Canada, they are being assimilated and forced to learn Chinese and forget their Tibetan roots.
Tu zombane ani thari di legui paralia ani legui bebegi jumde di ha lebegi jumde chenbu thyosu senyu ani thari gi nezu di jino khonsu jamgu chenbu chogi lokju solia jega nani halam dawai we stand for that's all to chena.
Next we have a speech by Pao Chonla.
저는 공사장기 전부적으로 구성이 이제 동배토니 아니 들이 늘 패배가 안에 당하로서 슈가 다른 산에 패배가 근데 좀 안에 탑재바 배기 탑재바 때도 전틀라 근데 간지 주들이 초초 아 울배기 근데 저바카 참아 아니 슈는 저병원에 그 참아라 투지체도 가든 친수에 너 눈이 셔면 가르쳐야잖아. 니마 빠르고 갑도고 말해야지. 남기 니마 바라지고 갑도고 말해야지. 카세부 쉬어야 로아 숨바딩에 가르쳐야잖아. 히말라야 그 리주 나로죠. 라다 우베그 좀블리 유르칼 슈베그 실론이그 아니 오늘 돈에 가는 가서 덴벨에 자조랑니그 대제를 참아라 두지치 가든지 야와 땡땡자도 끝을 털어대봐줘 두지치 가든지 아니 마보 제니요 있어.
I am standing in front of this media house as a Tibetan who received protection and blessing from His Holiness the Dalai Lama that the human cause of invasion and war in Tibet devastated Tibetans and their families, leaving many children as orphans.
To ensure a man who has dedicated his life to spreading peace and compassion isn't baselessly slandered and with a responsibility to mitigate the marginalization of an already vulnerable community.
Colonial dispossession and displacement in Tibet and in exile that we have no choice but to be resilient and resist. For non-Tibetans who are outsiders to our community and culture, and who don't understand why the past 2 weeks have been so traumatic to us, I want to share a few things we experienced and are experiencing as a collective.
Occupied Tibet is for over 70 years, and the Tibetan lost their homes, their country, and the millions of Tibetans lost their lives. And for Tibetans are still in Tibet, they don't have any freedom to practice their religions and their culture, their language, their history been attacked. And for the 70 years, millions of tragedies happens in Tibet. and even outside Tibet. And more than 150, probably 158 Tibetan has the self-immolations. And the whole world has a blank eye of this. And when all this happens, where are the media? Waste and waste! Thank you.
Jadi,